Welcome back to Wander Breeze, where we explore the most breathtaking destinations around the globe. Today, we're in the jewel of the South Seas on the stunning island of Bora Bora. Located about 130 miles or 210 kilometers northwest of Tahiti, this volcanic island has been captivating travelers for centuries. Originally called Bora Bora, meaning firstborn, this island has a rich cultural heritage. It was discovered in 1722 by a Dutch explorer, Jacob Roggeveen, known also as the first European explorer to reach the Easter Island. Since the 4th century, the settlers of this land were Polynesian traders. In the 19th century, the Protestant missionaries arrived, encouraging the locals to convert to Christianity and sadly also destroying the ancient stone temples. Over 100 years later, many islanders maintain these Christian beliefs, but the celebration of their indigenous culture remains within their hearts. Today, Bora Bora is a 12 square miles or 31 square kilometers long archipelago with a population of around 5,000 inhabitants. Known as the perfect honeymoon destination, its primary economic activity is tourism, along with pearls and vanilla. The best months to visit are May through October when the weather is most favorable. The highest and most recognized feature on Bora Bora is Mount Otemanu, about 727 meters or 2,385 feet high. It can only be climbed up to its shoulders. A natural aquarium called Lagoonarium offers crystalline waters and swimming with marine life. Iconic Hotel Bora Bora was built over 30 years ago. It was the first one to reveal a set of overwater bungalows in the 1970s. A fascinating site is the Sea Turtle Environmental Protection Center, treating injured turtles since 1991. Marafer Opu is an ancient Polynesian temple that was used for cultural and religious ceremonies. But besides history, Bora Bora is an idyllic beach place. The most famous public beach, known for its powdery white sand and crystal clear waters, is Matira Beach, with little shade, but with a few casual bars and restaurants. The notorious restaurant on the island is Bloody Mary's, established in 1979 with a floor sand and laid-back atmosphere. Bora Bora is also the perfect playground for adventure seekers. From jet skiing around the lagoon to shark and ray feeding tours. And don't miss out on a helicopter tour for panoramic views of the island. The main village, called Veitape, is filled with shops, restaurants, and a glimpse of local life. Here we also find rent-a-car offices to rent bicycles, scooters, and cars. Any distance you travel by taxi in Bora Bora will be generally between $10 to $50. The local currency is the Pacific franc, while many resorts and restaurants accept dollars, euros, and credit cards. For a romantic dinner, the overwater bungalows of the St. Regis or the Intercontinental are a treat. And for casual eats, the food trucks near Veitape offer delicious local dishes at great prices. Seafood is exceptionally fresh and diverse here. Embrace the Polynesian culture by attending a traditional dance show. Don't forget to pack water shoes and the waterproof camera to capture the underwater beauty. Bora Bora is more than just a destination. It's a dream come true for many travelers. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a romantic getaway, this island paradise has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tropical adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest travels.